So once you're back in the thumbnail display here, that you can see again, we have a lot of different clips. I can actually go through and change the information about these clips. I can also mark the clips good, okay. I can delete the clips. I can do a lot of things. And to do that, I hit the menu button on the side of the camera. Same, just next to that thumbnail button is a menu button, and that's going to display a sub-menu, which has a lot of different options for me. So the first one there, clip information, will tell me time code and other information about the clip. I can actually change the picture below, select index picture. I can see the properties of the clip. That's where the names and the information are. I can also delete the clip, which is a way to save some space on the disk if needed. You see there's a lot of different functions here, but one of the things I want to show you right away is clip properties. Go back up there, hit enter on that, and that's going to show you some information about the clip. Okay, so the first thing there, clip number 003004. Naming is the actual name is C0005. So this used the standard naming convention Z005. Okay. And then we have the time code, duration, and so on. So what does this mean? What if I want to change something in here? What do I do? If I want to change information in there, hit the menu button once more, and I can actually set the clip name. So something you can do in the camera. And now I see this little keyboard thing. What does that do for me? Well, I want to actually set the clip name there. Well, how do I do it? I'm going to put this little USB key mouse inside my camera. I can actually, instead of just using the little left and right arrows, it's much quicker to use a USB mouse or a USB keyboard for that matter, even faster. But so to do that, quickly attach my mouse. This is just a little Mac mouse. You need a PC keyboard though. Mac keyboard does not seem to work very well with this. And now on my screen here, I get a little arrow, just like you would think it would be. And I can go through and adjust the values. Let me go forward. Let me go to the end here, and then I can backspace. I can delete what's there, and I can change the name. Add a C2005. Very exciting name there. Okay, I'm done. Didn't like it. There we go. So once I set the name, it'll write to the disk. And there you go. Now this is just a quick way, change values. Pretty amazing that you can do that right in the camera if you want to. And as a producer, you may want to just go through and adjust information about each clip in order to speed up your post process a little bit. Now, in addition to that, I can set up this pre-planned metadata I talked about just a moment ago. But I want to go ahead and leave this menu in order to get and go into something called the planned metadata menu. Now, to get into this planned metadata menu, I need to go into the lower disk menu. This is going to be a little confusing, but there's something on the outside of this camera called disk menu. You see it down here. To get to that, it's actually in a different color. So to get to that, I have to hit the shift button. It's in an orange color, and the shift button's also orange. So it lets me know shift disk menu. And I hit that button, up comes another screen. And down here, I can actually load planning metadata. Enter into that, and then I can say I can load it from a USB key, which is down there. It's not attached, so it's not lighting up. Or I can load it from the disk itself. Enter into there, and it's going to look for the disk. Look for the information there. I don't actually have metadata on the disk at the moment, but if I did, I could access this data and load it up. And what that's going to do is have a set title name, a couple different title menus that are already preset, and then behind that title, it have an incremental number just like you expect it to. So you have your title in there, 001, 002, 003. Again, it's a quick way between projects, so you have multiple different projects set up. You can have multiple different planning metadata files, so that as you move from location to location, you can load different planning metadata, so the naming convention is very easy to load without having to type it in here. So that's pretty much it for the thumbnail display and changing the data here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.